Here's how to build and grow a fiercely loyal audience. I'll help you build a loyal following of clients and partners and claim your place as a thought leader in your industry by using video. And the best part, all you need to do is show up and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Target market, platform, fan base, followers. No matter what you call it, you must have an audience for your products and services. And the bigger and more loyal your audience, the bigger your impact, influence, and income. But here's the thing, building an audience is hard, and building an engaged audience is nearly impossible. Doing business online, or anywhere for that matter, is no longer a numbers game. Gone are the days when a big list meant big profit. Mass marketing is a thing of the past. Old school brand loyalty is no more. In fact, a recent study revealed that 77% of brands could disappear tomorrow and no one would care. We're entering the age of micro-marketing, hyper-personalization, and meaningful one-to-one connections. It's not even enough to have access to an audience. You need to establish a connection and a loyal following. The crucial know, like, and trust factor is no longer a nice to have. It's an absolute necessity. Loyalty is the new currency. And generic emails, Facebook ads, or blindly posting on socials isn't going to cut it anymore. Open rates are down and social media reach has tanked. Think you can blog your way to fandom? Think again. The only way to loyalty, true connection, and trust is with video. Video marketing is the single most powerful and personal tool you have at your disposal. When done right, video is the best way to create connection and build loyalty. And it's the fastest path to cash in your pocket. I'm Bortone, the creator of the Loyalty Lens framework, and I help entrepreneurs and small business owners build loyalty and lifelong customers using strategic video marketing. I've been involved in television and video all my life. I've seen and done it all, from local TV to national cable networks to Hollywood movie studios. Maybe that's why people refer to me as the godfather of video marketing. As your video consigliere, I serve as your strategic advisor, guiding you on how to utilize video effectively to create a community of loyal followers who are invested in your message. Video isn't just a medium, it's a powerful storytelling tool that can bring your message to life, engage your audience on a deeper level, and build a sense of community and loyalty around your brand. Sound cool? Click the button below and schedule a quick chat with me.